Hey guys, here is how you put a React Native Expo app directly on your website, just as a subpage. So all we're going to do first is just make sure that it builds to web. So I'll do npx expo start. And once that's loaded, we'll press W to open it on the web. There we go. I would just check the states are working. And if you want to, you can hit F12 and make sure it's responsive to all the different resolutions, just like this. And double checking, everything seems to be fine. If I finish the timer, it's just going to grow a little flower. If I fail the timer, it'll just give a little stop screen and let us restart. So this app is ready to go. I know it works on web. There's just a couple things we need to do to make sure we can build it. So first thing, go to your app.json. And we do actually need to, you can set the favicon for sure. That's going to give us the little icon up here in the top left. We're going to set the bundler to Metro. And then the last thing, the most important thing here too, is to set that base URL. Normally in these React Native Expo apps, it's set to the root, but we want to put this as a subpage because I already have some stuff on my website. So the next thing you need is to just build it. What we'll do, Control-C here to stop that. And I'm going to type npx expo space export platform web with the dash dash. So once you have that, that's actually just going to build it here to this distribution folder. And that should really only just take a second. There we go. It's been exported. This whole folder is all you really need. So I'll just go ahead and already rename it. I'm just going to call this focus-flower. That's my little app here. And the next step is to put it on the WordPress website. So if you go to your page, you do the name of your site, WP admin, go ahead and log in. Again, I'm just assuming you're using WordPress, but this will work on anything. Either open up FTP or we can do what this next part. So if you already have FTP, just skip this plugin setup. So what I'll do here is plugins, add new, and then search for file. Any of these file managers are going to work. I'm just going to grab this one file manager. It's got over 1 million active installations. I'll install that and activate it. This kind of is a little bit dodgy to not be using an FTP. So once you've actually uploaded the files, I would recommend just uninstalling it in case there's any, like security risks with this in the long term. So I'll go ahead and open up that WP file manager. And then once that's loaded, what you have here is your entire site. I'm just going to go to the root. You'll see I've already uploaded it here, but what you'll want to do is just grab that folder. So I'll do right click, reveal in File Explorer, and kind of scroll down so you don't accidentally put it in a subfolder. And then I'll go ahead and left click, drag over into here and copy. Because I already have that folder in there, I'm going to say yes just to replace these. All right, those are all uploaded. What you should see is over here, if you left click into it, inside we have the favicon, the index, all the Expo assets and stuff like that. And again, just make sure you're on parallel with WP content. You're just at the root of your site. And that's going to make the next step really, really easy. All right, so we're going to go back to the root. And then right here, there's an HTAccess looking folder. Don't click the .HTAccess. We'll just grab this one right here. We're going to right click it and download. Go ahead and open that in VS Code or in any text editor. And the important part is this right here. I'll leave it in the description. But all you need to do is just get this rewrite module. We're going to set the focus flower page here, or whatever your application page you want it to be called. So if I said, say this was Flappy Bird, you would just do the same thing. So whatever you want the subpage on your main website to be, you'll set it there. And then just copy the rest of here. It's going to rewrite the rule for the index file and grab that from the subfolder just like this. So again, the only thing you really need to change is this line and this line right here. Just put the right name of your app. Once that's done, hit Control S. I'm going to go back to our website and just drag and drop this right back into the file manager. And after that, just go ahead and go over to your subpage. For me, it was Focus Flower, and it should be loaded and ready to go. If you're not seeing it, you can hit just Control-Shift-R to hard refresh. And when I first set this up, I was having some trouble. You can just go to the console. If anything is wrong, it should show up there. Also, if you do like this little Focus app, I'll be making more videos on how to make it. And you can go ahead and check it out on the App Store. Thanks so much, guys.